Welcome back to our channel, where we help you look and feel your absolute best. And today, oh yes, we're talking about something that can literally brighten your day: teeth whitening kits. If you're tired of hiding your smile in photos or just want that Hollywood dazzle, stick around, because we're revealing the top 5 best teeth whitening kits of 2025 that are safe, effective, and loved by thousands. And yep, we've got the links down in the description for all of them. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is the My Smile Teeth Whitening Kit, your go-to kit for fast and noticeable results without the dentist bill. With LED light technology and a gentle gel formula, this one is perfect for sensitive teeth too. In just 10 minutes a day, you'll start seeing those pearly whites shine like never before. Get ready to transform your smile with a My Smile Teeth Whitening Kit, your ultimate solution to removing stubborn stains and brightening teeth in just 10 minutes a day. This deluxe kit is specially designed to tackle discoloration caused by coffee, wine, smoking, soda, and everyday food, giving you that radiant glow you've always wanted, right from the comfort of your home. Featuring a powerful 35% carbamide peroxide whitening gel and advanced LED light technology, My Smile delivers visible results with as little as one application, improving your teeth by up to 2 shades or more. It's gentle yet effective, perfect for those with sensitive teeth who still want a dazzling smile. Formulated with your well-being in mind, the gel is vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free, ensuring a safe and healthy experience without harsh ingredients. Whether you're prepping for a big event, date night, or just want to boost your daily confidence, My Smile is your go-to teeth whitening solution. Loved and trusted by millions, including those who've seen it featured on TikTok, CNN, ABC, People, and Health. This kit delivers professional-grade results comparable to expensive dental treatments, without the hefty price tag. Made proudly in the USA, My Smile combines innovation and care to give you a bright, camera-ready smile you'll love to show off. Simply insert the tray, turn on the LED light, and let the magic work in just minutes a day. At number 4, we've got a total fan favorite, Snow Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit is sleek, tech-savvy, and packs some serious whitening power. It comes with multiple whitening wands, an LED mouthpiece, and it's even safe for braces, bridges, and crowns. Oh, and celebs love it too. So if you want that A-list smile at home, this one's for you. The Snow Teeth Whitening Kit, designed to deliver professional-level whitening results right at home. Whether you're a coffee lover, red wine enthusiast, or just looking to reverse years of stains, Snow's innovative formula is your go-to solution for a visibly brighter, healthier smile. This deluxe wired whitening kit features a USB-powered LED accelerating mouthpiece and 3 Snow Active Diamond whitening wands formulated with hydroxyapatite, a mineral that not only whitens but also helps strengthen enamel. The result? A beautiful, gleaming smile that doesn't compromise on tooth health or sensitivity. Perfect for those with delicate teeth, the sensitive formula is powered by a potent blend of hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide, offering dramatic whitening without irritation. It's also alcohol-free, fluoride-free, BPA-free, and never tested on animals, making it a clean and cruelty-free choice for conscious consumers. Using the kit is refreshingly simple. Just brush, apply the proprietary gel, and let the LED light technology work its magic. In as little as 1 day, you may begin to notice real results, making Snow a game-changer in fast, safe, and effective at-home teeth whitening. Celebrated for its award-winning innovation since 2017, Snow has been trusted by millions and featured across leading platforms for its impressive performance. Plus, with a 60-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose, except the stains. Glowing in at number 3, it's the Aura Glow Teeth Whitening Kit. And wow, it does what the name says. With 35% carbamide peroxide gel, this one means business. The LED light accelerator speeds up results, and most users see visible changes after just a couple of uses. The Aura Glow Teeth Whitening Kit, your ultimate at-home solution for professional-level whitening. This all-in-one kit is designed to deliver visible results in as little as 7 days, whitening your teeth by up to 10 shades safely and effectively. What sets Oraglow apart? It's all in the powerful combination of 35% carbamide peroxide whitening gel and a state-of-the-art LED accelerator light. The light activates the gel's whitening molecules, speeding up the process to remove years of deep-set stains from coffee, tea, red wine, soda, and smoking, all in just 30 minutes per session. This kit includes everything you need for over 20 whitening treatments, giving you excellent value and convenience. Whether you're prepping for a big event or simply want to boost your daily smile, this kit brings dental laser whitening technology right into your home, without the steep cost of in-office treatments. The gel formula is enamel-safe and designed to produce minimal sensitivity, making it a top choice for those with delicate teeth. With consistent use, you'll notice whiter teeth and a fresher, cleaner feel in just a few sessions. Trusted by thousands for its efficiency and comfort, the Oraglow Teeth Whitening Kit is your key to unlocking a brilliant smile, fast, safe, and easy to use. Get ready to glow with confidence every time you smile. Coming in hot at number 2, the iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit brings you professional-level results right from your bathroom. Its advanced LED light and powerful whitening gel remove years of coffee, wine, and soda stains in record time. The mouthpiece is comfortable, the results are fast, and it's designed with sensitive smiles in mind. Achieve a noticeably whiter smile in just minutes a day with the iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit, a complete at-home solution designed to deliver professional results 3x faster than strips with zero sensitivity. This kit is perfect for anyone seeking a confident, radiant smile without the hassle or expense of dental visits. Powered by 35% carbamide peroxide gel and an LED activation light, iSmile breaks down tough stains from coffee, tea, wine, soda, and smoking in as little as 10 minutes per session. With 3 3 milliliters gel syringes included, you'll enjoy up to 22 treatments, each designed for maximum whitening with minimal effort. Designed with comfort and safety in mind, the Universal Fit mouth tray features easy-breathe vents and requires no molding. Just insert, press the light's power button, and whiten. The medical-grade materials are safe for enamel and perfect for sensitive teeth, making this kit a standout in convenience and reliability. Follow 4 simple steps. Apply gel to the tray. Insert and press the light. Whiten for 10 minutes and rinse. It's that easy. Backed by a 100% results or money-back guarantee, iSmile offers both performance and peace of mind. Whether you're prepping for a big day or simply want to enhance your daily smile, this kit is your shortcut to sparkling, camera-ready teeth, quick, comfortable, and completely effective. And claiming the crown at number 1, it's the legendary Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effects. Trusted for years and still going strong in 2025, these strips are the gold standard. With enamel-safe ingredients, they promise a dentist-level whitening effect in just 20 days. Brighten your smile with confidence using the Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effects Plus LED light, a powerful at-home whitening solution trusted by dentists and loved by millions. This complete kit delivers professional-level results, helping you achieve up to 34 levels whiter teeth without ever stepping into a dental office. Designed with Crest's highest level of hydrogen peroxide, this kit effectively removes years of stains from coffee, wine, tea, and smoking. Whether you're prepping for a wedding, job interview, or special event, these strips are the perfect way to enhance your look with a dazzling smile. The LED accelerator light enhances the power of the white strips by speeding up the whitening process, giving you faster and more dramatic results. The no-slip grip ensures the strips stay comfortably in place for the full wear time, so you can whiten while talking, moving, or even sipping water. Crest 3D White is the #1 dentist-recommended at-home whitening brand, and the strips are formulated with the same whitening ingredient used by professionals. They're also enamel-safe, making them a reliable choice for maintaining tooth health while achieving a visibly brighter smile. Easy to use, highly effective, and trusted worldwide. The Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effects Kit gives you everything you need for a noticeably whiter smile in just a few days. It's the ultimate whitening upgrade for anyone who wants real results, quickly and comfortably. So there you have it, our top 5 best teeth whitening kits of 2025 to brighten up your smile and boost your confidence. Remember, the best accessory you can wear is a smile, and with these kits, you'll never want to hide it again. All the links to these kits are in the description below. Check them out and grab the one that fits your smile goals. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you never miss our latest self-care picks. Stay bright, stay smiling, and we'll see you in the next one.